If you're looking for the ultimate sauce to serve with your seafood, I got you covered. This easy cocktail sauce comes together in just a couple minutes with ingredients you already have in the kitchen. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite quick and easy cocktail sauce. This is fantastic for serving along shrimp cocktail, or if you're having jumbo lump crab meat just for dipping, or some crab claws, whatever. This is the perfect cocktail sauce. It is not heavy on just ketchup and horseradish. We have a few other mix-ins that just take this over the top. So to make your easy cocktail sauce, you're going to need just a handful of pantry ingredients. I have ketchup, horseradish, prepared horseradish, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, lemon, and my secret ingredient is chili garlic paste. You'll find this in the Asian food section of your supermarket. It usually has like a green lid on the top, and it's great on pretty much everything. I like to give my cocktail sauce a little extra kick with that garlic chili flavor. So to make our cocktail sauce, we're just going to take our bowl of ketchup, and to that, stir in some of the chili garlic paste. And you can make this as spicy or as tame as you like. I like to make it pretty spicy, and you get that from the horseradish, but I also like to add like a few extra like spice flavor bombs. I also like to add a splash of Tabasco, and then our Worcestershire sauce, some horseradish sauce, horseradish, not horseradish sauce. We'll put all of that in there. Some lemon. And you can use the zest and the juice of the lemon if you like. You're gonna squeeze it and catch any seeds that fall out. You wanna taste it as you go. So we'll give this a stir. And because we added the Worcestershire sauce, you don't need salt and pepper. The Worcestershire sauce has like a lot of sodium in it. So I'm just gonna give this a taste. That's very good. It's very spicy, just the way I like it. So we're gonna serve this with some shrimp cocktail. And I have a roasted shrimp cocktail recipe that's fabulous with this. You'll have to check that out. It's super, super easy. But the shrimp is roasted with garlic and pretty fabulous. And that is it. Now you have the easiest, best cocktail sauce ever. I'm going to take a bite. That is so zesty and vibrant and fresh. The lemon juice just makes it taste like a little more fresh than if you had just stirred together ketchup and horseradish. I really hope you give this a try. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.